Hello, good morning this morning, you guys. This company is, well, it's three companies that I have to briefly talk over on this video, the second video upload for this morning, for Monday morning, August 2022. Okay, this company that I have on this video, the first company I have on this video is Service Business Evolution, and the job role for this job will be inside sales associate, and the start pay will be $20 to $22 per hour. It's a remote position. And the benefits for this job is 401k and 401k matching, dental insurance, disability insurance, flexible schedule, health insurance, life insurance, paid time off, and vision insurance. And the full job description will be Service Business Evolution SBE is currently hiring for a full-time inside sales associate in Chandler, Arizona area. This remote position earns a competitive wage of $20 to $22 per hour, depending on experience, plus bonuses and commission. In addition to competitive pay and our supportive culture, we offer our inside sales associates the following benefits: medical, vision, and dental insurance, 401k with a company match, paid time off, PTO, life insurance, and short-term disability. So now that you've learned the who, what, where, and why, you may be wondering how. It's easy. Fill out our initial mobile-friendly online application. We hope to meet you soon, day to day. This position is full-time and remote with occasional travel. The typical schedule is Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time and 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. As an inside sales associate, you play a vital part in the operations of our company as you consistently meet daily and weekly sales goals. You make outbound calls, scheduling appointments with prospects and strategic partners. When there are incoming calls, you answer them and handle any questions with care for the client and their needs. Skillfully, you work to build and maintain relationships with potential clients. You schedule appointments with prospects as well as business meetings, trainings, seminars, and virtual meetings. Always attentive to detail, you track and measure daily sales reports. You carefully manage and coordinate events between several calendars. You love working in a remote position and get great satisfaction from hitting your goals each day. I'm going to tell you about the company in this section and our ideal inside sales associate position. You'll have to be organized, effectively prepares for the day, and keeps things arranged in a systematic way. Observant, pay close attention to detail, friendly, provides outstanding customer service that is always respectful, punctual, effectively prioritizes multiple tasks with excellent time management skills. You got to be a team player, works well with others, attentive, excellent listening and negotiation skills. If it sounds like you, keep reading about this remote position. Requirements for an inside sales associate: 1 year of sales experience, ability to talk on the phone. Experience in a similar position would be a plus. If you meet the above requirements, we need you. Apply today to join our team as an inside sales associate. And this just got posted today, one day ago, and they don't tell you how many people that they're hiring for this position. But this company is, once again, Service Business Evolution, and the job role will be inside sales associate, and they're paying $20 to $22 per hour full time. And the next job will be Configurations Analyst-Healthcare. That's the job position, and the company will be Computer Enterprises Incorporated, CEI. It's a remote position. It's $40 to $50 per hour full time, and the benefits of this job will be 401k matching, dental, health, and vision insurance. And this position will be the state that is based out of is Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. 6 months contract to hire, and the Eastern Standard Hours, fully remote. CEI, which is Computer Enterprise Incorporated, is looking for a configuration analyst to join our national healthcare clients team. In this role, you'll perform configurations for ranked tickets by the department and perform configurations in a QA environment, quality assurance environment. Our client is looking for someone to grow with them long term and further their career with them. The salary expectation upon conversion is $100,000 to $110,000 per year. Responsibilities: this job supports one or more analytical aspects of the application product life cycle, including capability enablement, and with cross-team dependency within a product scope. I'm going to read some of these things briefly, you guys. The responsibilities for this job. Let's keep on going. Also responsible for identification, documentation, and resolution of risks, defects, and issues. Analyzes market trends for competitive insight to correlate into business value statements. Uses functional and organizational knowledge to mentor associate and intermediate business systems analysts. Okay, you act as an SME on how moderately complex new enhancements applications are developed using an advanced level of understanding of the end-to-end process and a clear understanding of potential integration issues. Requires an advanced level of understanding of the end systems impact of changes across multiple diverse systems, including regulatory, risk exposure, customer service, and financial impacts. Qualifications will be configurations hands-on keyboards. This person needs hands-on configuration experience, ability to maintain or mentor other members of the team, analytical skills, problem solving, report writing, SQL, and leadership skills and agile methodology. And healthcare, health insurance industry experience preferred. The education will be, and experience will be 2 to 5 years of relevant experience, and healthcare experience required. Guiding care experience highly preferred. Now this job is an 8-hour shift job. And once again, the pay is $40 to $50 per hour. It's a full-time job position. And a question that they will ask you on Indeed: will you now or in the future require sponsorship for employment status? You have to answer that question. And the experience is right here again. All these 3 of these are preferred, not required. Healthcare for 1 year preferred, hands-on configuration 2 years preferred, and guiding care for 1 year preferred. It's a remote position. They're hiring for 1 candidate for this role. They're urgently hiring. It was posted 1 day ago. So they're still hiring for this position. You guys get into it. So the third job that I have on here is called data analyst. The job role will be a data analyst. And the company name is Insight Global. It's a remote position. It's $40 to $50 per hour, full-time contract job. And the qualifications will be SQL, 2 years required. And the full job description must have, you have to have 5 years of experience as a data analyst and 5 years of experience understanding business requirements, translating them into data requirements and everything. So I'm briefly go through this, you guys. It's day-to-day. You'll need to have a load and manage reference data in partnership with business customers, analyze and identifies data quality concerns or cleansing opportunities to correct data quality anomalies, and facilitate resolution between technical, business, and other stakeholders. Ensure direct deliverables are compliant with Westfield's data standards. And once again, it's the 8-hour shift, and it's hiring for 2 candidates in this remote position. The name of the company is Insight Global, and the job role will be data analyst, and they're paying $40 to $50 per hour. And that's it for the video for today, you guys. Opportunity is knocking. Open those positive doors. You gems, you diamonds, you keep on shining. You gems, just keep going, because you guys are worth it. And have the best day. And hit like and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys on the next video.